In this example, we'll find the center, vertices, and foci of the ellipse. To do that, we need to put the equation in standard form, which means completing the square. So let's get the x terms together, minus 8x, the y terms together, and let's put the 8 on the other side. Then we can't complete the square when we have a number in front of the x squared, so we are going to factor out a 4, and to complete the square we take this number, -2, divide it by 2 and square it, be plus 1. We take this number, divide it by 2 and square it. 2 squared is 4. When we put the 1 here, it gets multiplied by the 4, so we have to add 4 to the other side to keep the equation in balance. This 4 is not multiplied by anything, so we can just add 4 to the other side. Okay, factoring. And 8 is 16. The standard form of an ellipse always has a 1 on the right side, so we're going to divide by 16. And 16 divided by 16 is 1. This will just stay the way that it is. Now 4 goes into 16 4 times. And if we want to write these squared, we can. We don't always have to do that, but to put it truly in standard form, should write it like this. 16 is 4 squared. And this is equal to 1. This way we can see the A and the B. The A is always the larger one, so we would say, going up here, that A is 4, B from here is 2, and then we would use A squared minus B squared equals C squared in order to find the C. So plugging these in, we have 4 squared minus 2 squared, so 16 minus 4, that would be 12. If we square root both sides, this is 2 root 3. Okay. Now the easiest way to find these points is to actually make the graph. So we'll make the graph, and the center is equal to 1, -2. So 1, -2. The A, that's under the Y. So this distance 4 goes 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The B goes to the right by 2. B goes to the left by 2. And we can draw the shape in. Now the C, 2 root 3, well, let's bring this down here. 2 root 3 is approximately equal to 3.4. So we go 3.4, and we go in the same direction as the A. So 1, 2, 3.4. 1, 2, 3.4. So there's a focus, there's a focus. And these, by the way, are called this is a major vertex. Major vertex. And this is a minor vertex. This is a minor vertex. And this, of course, is the center. So I think we found everything. The center, the vertices, the foci. Well, we didn't write out the coordinates of the foci, so we should probably list those. Foci are, let's see, starting from here, they both have an x-coordinate of 1, but we would want to add the 2 root 3 to the x-coordinate. So this would be minus 2 plus 2 root 3 and minus 2 root 3. Okay, and we can write our vertices. These would also have an x-coordinate of 1, and it would be minus 2 plus 4 is 2, and minus 2 minus 4 minus 6. The minor vertices would have the same y-coordinate. It would be minus 2, minus 2, and we would want to add the b to the 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3, and 1 minus 2 is negative 1. And that would be everything that was asked for.